Hey guys, welcome back to my another important video. Today I am going to show you how to delete or remove your TikTok search history. So don't waste your time. Let's get started. First of all, open your TikTok official app and then tap on scroll down just profile picture and then tap on top right corner just three line button and then tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down and just tap on here, activity center, and see here just tap on search history. Please select your delete option. Just tap on select and then select one by one and then tap on delete. If you delete all search history, so select here and then tap on delete all. I have finally delete your all search history on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, so please subscribe to my channel for another